Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about gas valve for Pitco part #601252022C. The Pitco 601252022C gas valve is a direct replacement for Pitco fryers. It is designed to control the flow of gas to the fryer, allowing the user to adjust the temperature of the fryer. The valve is made from durable brass and features a manual shutoff lever. It also has an adjustable pressure regulator that allows for precise temperature control. The valve is designed to fit all Pitco fryers and can be used with either natural or propane gas. This gas valve is an essential part of any commercial kitchen and should be replaced regularly to ensure optimum. This part fixes the following symptoms. This gas valve is designed to replace the existing gas valve on a Pitco fryer. It can help to fix issues such as poor temperature control, burner not lighting, or the fryer not heating up properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the gas supply to the fryer. 2. Disconnect the existing gas valve from the fryer. 3. Install the new Pitco gas valve, part #601252022C, in place of the old 1. Making sure that all connections are tight and secure. 4. Connect the gas supply line to the new valve and tighten securely with a wrench. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks at all connections using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray. If any leaks are found, tighten connections as necessary until no leaks are present. 6. Test the operation of the new VA. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.